Alright, so I'm going to show you how to carve out a window for the house. So I'm using my X-Acto knife. So you take out the piece of cardboard and then you have a simple window. I'm going to cut out this little piece here. Let me try my scissors and see. Alright, there we go. Now I'll take out the scraps. And then you have the simple window. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some plastic from packaging and I'm going to cut it out. You want a piece that's wide enough for the window. And then, so the piece is going to look like this. And using the glue gun, I'm going to put the glue on And I'm gonna put the plastic from the packaging onto the window cutout. Then you have the basic window. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to finish covering these walls on the outside of the house. And then I'm going to add trim using pieces of scrap paper, just leftover scraps, and I'm going to put it around the window. Alright, so using some pieces of paper, I'm going to cover the outside. So I'm just going to put glue on the back. Use hot glue. And I'm going to put it on. Line it up. So you do it like this. Alright, so now I'm going to cover the rest of the outside. Let me take off the tape. So I can apply the paper. Well, I'm gonna have to reapply the glue because it dried fast. So I was taking tape off. Alright, so what I'm doing around the window, I'm just going to cut the paper into a big piece, but not too big of a piece, just a big strip like this, and I'm going to glue it underneath the window. I'm going to cut another piece. And using the hot glue, I'm going to put it on the back. Apply it on, and now it's nice and clean. And now I'm just gonna finish covering the rest of this cardboard. So I'm gonna take the tape off. Use this leftover scrap, and I'm going to put it here.